Hey guys, welcome to Get To Me. Today we're out camping and we were hungry, so we decided Jin Ramen, which is a Korean instant noodles. Most kids can have it because it's not very spicy, it's only a little bit. Add some spinach, spring onion, egg, and kimchi to eat with leg on. So right now we're cooking the water. So we're having 2 serves, so that will be 5 cups of water. We're already heating it up. And if you serve, it's 2.5 cups. 2.5. I
have a question.
I don't know. But anyways, we're heating up the
Can
water.
I have both of them?
To yourself? No. Okay, so we're going to get prepared while it's still getting hot. This is how it looks like inside a Jin Ramen packet. You have the noodles, and then you have the soup mix, and the veggies, the dried veggies.
Yum!
And then, now it's time to do the soup mix. Okay, I'm going to put it in now. The next one in. Yay! It smells so nice. Next, we're putting in the vegetables. The dried vegetables, not the fresh ones. Now we're going to wait until it's boiling. So now that it's boiling, I'm going to tell you a very special secret. My uncle is a chef and he's an instant noodle master. His secret told me, after you put the noodles in, don't close it. Okay, now I'm going to put the noodles in. When you put the noodles in, you always gotta be careful, even if you're a kid or an adult, and never cook instant noodles by yourself unless you're an adult. Use these chopsticks and poke them in and help it cook a little bit.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. That looks like yummy.
Ooh, I think the bottom one's ready. After you put the noodles in, you gotta wait until it's like really bubbling like it is over here. See, it's bubbling a lot. So that means it's time to put the next things in. Okay, it's bubbling a lot, so that means we need to put the eggs in. Okay, so we're just going to crack the egg until it's cracked up like that, and then just drop it in like that.
Does that mean we're almost
See it in the
finished
corner
with
there?
this?
I'm going to put one more so we can each have 1 egg each. And over here.
I'm so excited!
Can you see the egg? It's cooking. Can you see all around it? It's white. It smells so nice. Oh my gosh, there's so much saliva coming out of my mouth because I want to eat it. Oh my gosh, this warm instant noodle Jin Ramen is perfect for this rainy and cold day. It's gonna warm us up so much. I wanna eat it now. I'm going to put in the veggies in so it can be very healthy. Okay, while you're cooking it, it's best if you don't poke the yolk. Just a tip, because if you do, like the yolk. Now we're going to put in some spring onions. Just put that on the edges.
Oh, is spring onion yummy?
Yeah.
It is?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Something.
Don't go.